Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. We are starting a new series of learning Python. This is the first video of our series. We will learn how to install Python on Windows 10. Okay, let's begin. We will install Python latest version, that is 3.9.1. Okay, now it has been installed successfully. Now come to our terminal. Okay, if this terminal is not opened by default, you can access it from here in open view menu. Over here you will find this menu. This way you can open the terminal. Yeah, Python is working, but it is showing 2.7.15 because I have already installed Python older version. So by default it is showing 2.7.15. If you didn't install Python before, so then you can access your latest Python just by typing Python. But now if I have to access uh, my latest version, here is the way to access it. Let me exit from here first. Yeah, here we go. So this way we can access our latest version. Now our environment is ready for the development. But if you are working in multiple projects, so it would be better for you to keep both environment separate to each other. So in order to keep these separations, we will need to set up a virtual environment for our each project. So to set up the virtual environment, we need to install a package. So this package is virtual environment. To install the packages in Python, we use pip library. But by default, if we access this, if you type over here pip and see the version, okay, here it is showing us the version is 3.7, but we need 3.9 version. So to access the pip from that version, we will need to type pip. Yeah, you can see this time it is from 3.9 version. So to install virtual environment, so we will use same command. Okay, virtual environment is installed. We can see whether it is installed or not. We have a freeze command for this purpose. You can see pip freeze. Yeah, you can see that is the package what we have just installed. Okay, now we will set up our environment by running this command. venv, that is the name of our virtual environment, venv. We have a new folder venv over here. So if we can see inside, if we see the inside of this folder, we have a subscripts folder. Here is the Python file which we will use for this project. Okay, to access this Python file, we have a script over here, that is the activate.batch. To call this batch script, that is the location of activate.batch file. Okay, now we will run this command. Okay, now you can see that now we are in venv environment. So now we can easily access Python, just Python of same version, just by typing simple Python. Okay. If we see the packages what are in this new Python environment, we will just need to run. See, it is executed inside our environment. So if we see what is installed by default in this environment, we will run pip freeze. Nothing has been installed. So it's mean that is a separate environment. So whatever we installed in this environment, it will be only for this project. Whatever the command we run so far to set up our virtual environment, I have written them on this batch file. So if if we want to set up our environment in future, we don't need to type from the scratch. So we just need to run this batch file. So let's try to set up our environment with the help of this batch file. Okay, now we are deleting our environment. Here we will run install.batch file. Here we go. Okay, that's all to install Python on Windows 10 and further set up the virtual environment. Thank you viewers for watching this video.